up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in between my Zoom classes right now and I really wanted a freaking coffee, so I thought, you know what? Let me come on here and show y'all how I make my little whipped TikTok coffee. Alright, so this is how I make my instant whipped coffee from TikTok, but I make it a little bit differently. So first, like things you're gonna need, just like a little mixing bowl, some instant coffee, a measuring tablespoon. Then you can also get some type of whisk, but I'm gonna use mine on my KitchenAid hand mixer. Alright, let's get started. So first, you just take a tablespoon. You're gonna be taking a tablespoon of the instant coffee. And a tablespoon of sugar. And a tablespoon of water. I've seen on some TikToks that you're supposed to use hot water, but I've always been using cold water, so that's just the way I do it. And then, ooh, and don't forget to add in some vanilla extract. Alright, the next step is to mix it. So I'm actually going to be putting it on my setting almost to the highest. And I'll see exactly how long this takes to mix. So this is what it looks like first, just so you guys can see. That's the consistency of it. Alright, so next you just grab whatever kind of glass you'd like. Since I missed Starbucks, I'm going to grab my glass Starbucks glass. That was so many glasses that I just said. Oh my goodness. And then you can pour whatever type of milk, if you want a milk alternative or whatever in there. So normally you'd still put ice in here, but I don't have any ice right now, so we're just going to work with it. Pour about quarter a little milk. Then I'm going to take this stuff. Freaking fantastic! This is going to be a creamer substitute, but it's awesome. And if you use it hot, you can froth the shit out of it. It's awesome. So definitely recommend this. Add a little bit in there because you know I like that vanilla. Alright. I just bought this from Sprouts, $4.99. And add a little splash in there. Boom. Next step. The best step. Alright, next step. So after you put in your milk and a little bit of flavor in there from this vanilla, get you one of these little spatula things. They're fantastic. And now, we'll just be going in with our little cream. And you're just going to be taking it and after that, I just take one of my straws. Take one of my straws and mix it up. You definitely want to mix it or else it's going to be super bitter. And yeah, there's your little whipped TikTok coffee. Boom. Alright everybody, and there you have it. Super easy, quick. I think this maybe took me like 5 minutes. If you have that hand mixer, it totally helps. So yeah, let me know if you try it and make sure to mix it up. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.